Righto. Good morning. Hope all is well. Pretty good start to the day, isn't it? Considering we're half an hour in, we're up 1.5% on Bitcoin. That's great. Okay, so hang on. Let me just get one thing sorted. All right. So this is brought to you by FTX, of course, the exchange that I work with more than anything else, really, because it's just got good order systems and liquidity and whatnot. If you want your account and you want 10% off your trading fees, just click the description below and you can have 10% off your trading, and you'll help me out at the same time. Doesn't increase your trading fees, by the way. Just makes them less. Decreases them. Woohoo! Also, if you want to learn to go long, short, manage your risk, the videos are below, so get yourself stuck in. And yeah, let's have a look at what we got here. So first things first, we're looking really, really good. Really, really good. So I've got the top 10 here, which is not my watch list, but I just wanted to show it to you. A really nice run up from the higher low that's now been confirmed with obviously the higher high. We've had a pretty good run, a good 20% or so, and we are closing in on all-time highs. Now, I wouldn't be surprised at all to see us clock all-time highs in the not too distant future. So, yeah, I'm trading towards that. As far as it goes here, I had very bad back pain earlier in the week, so I didn't actually get to take this, which would have been a higher risk position anyway, but a very strong move. So what am I doing with Bitcoin at the moment, and what's on my watch list? Let's go across to my blue list here, and I'll show you. As far as the lower time frames go, I am starting to hone in on those a little bit more now that Bitcoin's pushed up. Hey, David, how are you? And the reason why is, look at the cyclicity now. Higher lows coming in. Very, very nice indeed. Good convergence there on the 15 and the 30. As a matter of fact, right there, but that's not what I'm after really. I want a bit deeper. Okay, I'll probably wait for a cradle in there. For those that have done the courses, you'll know the booster strategy. So I'm open to anything really, and I'm just seeing how price evolves throughout the day to see how I go about it. Bitcoin's on the list because that cyclicity is there. Little pullbacks into the cradles. I'm back in at 55 would be ideal. Little bullish candle in that zone really could set us up very well. Yeah, thanks Heidi. I am starting to feel better today. I got a massage again today at 2, which will no doubt hurt like hell, but no pain, no gain, as they say. And yeah, we're getting there. We are getting there. So Bitcoin's on the list for that reason. Now on to Tron. I just wanted to follow up because I know I spoke of this last week. Was it last week? I know many of you will be long based on this cradle back here. It has hit 1-to-1. So I've scaled out and I have moved my stop as well based on the 4. I've jumped down a time frame as my strategy allows to here. So I've locked in profit. It will be a profitable trade, and what I'm really looking for here in these lower time frames now is just waiting to see it push up through this level here. It's not an exact resistance region, but there is some around there. If we can push on in this trend here, 4 hour on Tron, we'll have a high low, high low. I want to see a real good move through for 2 reasons. One, I want more opportunities to be able to trade it, and 2, I want to make more money on the long that I've got. So looking quite good there. Again, cyclicity just needs to kick in a little bit more. And you'll find that if you do a full PERP list scan today, that cyclicity, it's not that it's lacking very much. It just, a little bit more is required. Same as what you saw on Bitcoin. On to BAT now. This was another one that I put up last week. Again, same time as Tron. Took this bullish candle here on the 8. It has also hit 1-to-1. And I've taken first target and I've now moved my stop to there. So again, locked in a profit. So that's very, very good. As we go down through the time frames, what we're going to notice is we did get a pullback in a higher high. The problem that I've got with that higher high there is that it's happened very, very quickly. I want to see it extend further and get better cyclicity on the 15, but with that momentum being there, it is looking very good. If you come down here to this daily, look, it pulled back in, it's pushed on. I want to see it rip up and break through these highs, get us that all-time high sort of thing going on again. Actually, it might not be all-time highs, but all-time highs on this chart. Anyway, good cyclicity starting to come in. Now, as far as new opportunities come, DOT. So I pull back into the cradle, higher, low, higher, high. Only just though. What I'm doing here is I'm going lower. 4 hour, 2 hour. Look at this. Higher low, higher high. There's a little, I wouldn't call it major resistance, but a pullback into this region here on that 2 hour, possibly even the 1. Let's have a look. Yeah, if the 1 came back into here, then certainly, if I could get plenty, you know, if I get my 1-to-1 before that region, absolutely keen on a trade there. Little cradle there right now, as a matter of fact, on dot, but I'll probably wait for the higher time frames just to see how it plays out throughout the day. Again, a nice trend. It'd be nice to see it push above here a bit more, and then the next pullback would be very, very nice indeed. And finally, in my list today is Ethereum Classic, and you can see here it's pushed up through that level there. If I go lower, you'll actually see it nice and clearly. Higher lows, and we've pushed up through resistance to a higher high there. Now, what I'm actually looking for is pullbacks into this 112.25 level, or in and around that old resistance level. If that can become support, then that's what I'm after, and I'm very, very keen to be on those lower time frames if I can just get exactly what I want. I'm thinking boosters, cradles, or breakouts, more than likely boosters and cradles. Back to the top 10 for a quick sticky beat, just to look at the cyclicity here. I want to see Ethereum push on a bit more, carry through with this higher low and pull back perhaps. Might be an opportunity there as well, as there is a trend. Let's look at that 30 again. We are convergent there. Yeah, look, actually, yeah, Ethereum could also set up a nice little cradle there as well, given that there is a higher low. XRP is not really doing much for me. It's a bit messy. Bitcoin Cash, a little bit messy. DOT, I've already spoken to that. Litecoin, I want to see the cyclicity kick in a little bit better. The 15-minute might look all right, but I want to see it extend further. Binance has had a very strong day yesterday, but it's not got really what I want because it kind of just straight lined. If we got a pullback into 260 or thereabouts, yeah, sure. But because we would have that higher low, higher high. But I'm just waiting and holding out a little bit more. So waiting for a little bit more there. Same with Cardano. Link gave an opportunity this morning on the 4 hour here. Unfortunately, I wasn't available at that time, which was 7 a.m. my time this morning. So I didn't get that. But you know, those that did, good looking trade. And finally, Stellar, again, needs to do more. So the watch list currently, add Ethereum to this, Bitcoin, Tron, BAT, DOT, and Ethereum Classic. Guys, the markets are pumping. It's a very, very good time to be trading. If you haven't already, get your account below with 10% off your fees for FTX, and also go to tradercobb.com and get onto that course, because it's lovely knowing what to do on markets, knowing when to take profits, how to manage your risk, how to margin your trading, but still keep it within a level of risk management that you're comfortable with. If you're not margin trading yet, it's a very good time to get started because the trends are strong and there's lots of money to be made. Have a great day.